Hi, my name is Antoine. I'm here at Thermëa Spa Village. We're here today to visit our mechanical rooms, which are the heart and lungs of our operation. So the mechanical room that you see here is really at the heart of the spa. Most of the buildings where we have our kitchens for our various restaurants. We also have our Cala floating pool. We have our massage rooms as well. So that is a big demand on mechanical systems, fresh air, and producing energy. With the 15 years of experience we've understand the impact that properly designing our mechanical system can have on our energy consumption, thus the environment, but also in cost of operation. In this room is where we filter all the fresh air that's coming in. We extract energy from the air that's evacuated from the buildings. All the energy that is produced comes through this area. As part of our design and our pledge to reduce our environmental impact, we put a great deal of effort and planning in our mechanical systems. Here we can see some examples of the valves that are used for heating our exterior walkways. We made a conscious decision to not use salt on the site because of some of the water runoffs that it might and impacts on the environment. As part of our energy recuperation, we also preheat or pre-cool the air coming into the building. This helps us reduce a great deal the energy that's required, again, before it needs to be heated up to a higher level or cooled off. On the site, whether it's through floors, whether it's through its equipment that are rejecting heat, we take advantage of all of this to supplement our energy needs. In our next episode, we will meet our artisans that build our custom furniture.